Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz that will help you gain knowledge in this lockdown time. Question 1. Where is the headquarter of National Backward Classes, Finance and Development Corporation in India? Option 1, New Delhi. Option 2, Chennai. Option 3, Mumbai. Or option 4, Kolkata. The correct answer is New Delhi. Let's move on to next question. Question 2. Red rot is a disease commonly caused to? Option 1, millets. Option 2, sugarcane. Option 3, rice or option 4, wheat. And the answer is sugarcane. Question 3, fill in the blank. Dash is known as the father of civil services in India. And here are your options below. Option 1, Lord William Bentinck. Option 2, Charles Cornwallis. Option 3, Charles Metcalfe or option 4, Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer is Charles Cornwallis. Question 4. Who was Mahavira's first disciple? And the options are: Option 1, Charvaka. Option 2, Stholabhadra. Option 3, Jamali or option 4, Budrubahu. Here is the answer, option 3, Jamali. Question 5. On which river bank is the Ujjain Kumbh Mela held? Option 1, Tapti. Option 2, Ganga. Option 3, Yamuna. Or option 4, Shipra. Answer is Shipra River. Fill in the blank. Question 6. Dash helped in developing environmentally friendly fireworks in different environments. Here are your options. Option 1, NGT. Option 2, DRDO. Option 3, CSIR or option 4, Niti Ayog. Answer is CSIR. Question 7. Who was re-elected as the Prime Minister of Portugal in October 2019? Let's check the options. Option 1, Antonio Costa. Option 2, Pedro Lopes. Option 3, José Barroso or option 4, Pedro Coelho. The correct answer is Antonio Costa. Question 8. Who wrote Nyasa Sutra? Option 1, Sharaka. Option 2, Vyasa. Option 3, Gautam. Or option 4, Kapil. The correct answer is option 3, Gautam. Question 9. Which organization hosted the celebrations of the First World Cotton Day in Geneva? Here are your options. 1. International Cotton Association. 2. World Bank. 3. United Nations, or Option 4. World Trade Organization. Answer is World Trade Organization. Question 10. Bone deformities occur due to excessive intake of? And the options are Option 1. Fluorine. Option 2. Potassium. Option 3. Phosphorus. Or Option 4. Fatty acid. Answer is fluorine. Next question. Question 11. Where is the Gateway of India situated? Here are your options. 1. New Delhi. 2. Bangalore. 3. Mumbai. Or Option 4. Kolkata. You guessed it right. Answer is Mumbai. Question 12. Who was the first chairman of the SCRA? Here are the options. 1. King Birendra. 2. Mr. Ziaur Rahman. 3. H.M. Ershad. Or Option 4. Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Answer is H.M. Ershad. Question 13. Who is the Missile Women of India? And the options are Option 1. Asima Chatterjee. Option 2. Tessie Thomas. Option 3. Kalpana Chawla. Or Option 4. Janaki Ammal. And the answer is Tessie Thomas. Next. Question 14. Which gas is used in air balloons? Here are the options. Option 1. Carbon dioxide. Option 2. Oxygen. Option 3. Nitrogen. Or Option 4. Helium. Correct answer is helium. Next question. Question 15. Which is the most important small-scale industry in India? Option 1. Handloom industry. Option 2. Leather industry. Option 3. Paper industry. Or Option 4. Textile industry. Answer is Option 1. Handloom industry. Next question. Question 16. Fill in the blank. Due to rusting, the weight of iron. Option 1. Increases. Option 2. Uncertain. Option 3. Decreases. Or Option 4. Remains the same. The correct answer is Option 1. Increases. Let's check the next question, which seems easy. Question 17. What is the shortcut key to expand browsing screen in web browser? Option 1, Page Up. Option 2, F11. Option 3, Home key. Or Option 4, F5. You guessed it right, Option 2, F11. Question 18. Who has been honored twice, in 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics, and the 1911 Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Here are your options. Option 1, Alvar Gullstrand. Option 2, Wilhelm Wien. Option 3, Marie Curie. Option 4, Svante Arrhenius. Answer is Option 3, Marie Curie. Next. Question 19. In which year was the first transistor invented? Option 1, 1901. Option 2, 1942. Option 3, 1946. Or Option 4, 1947. Correct answer is year 1947. Next. Question 20. Which among the below option is used to treat indigestion? Option 1, antibiotic. Option 2, antacid. Option 3, antiseptic. Or Option 4, analgesic. And the answer is antacid. Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.